Ice in my lungs, fire in my breath. Northern blood laughs at the fear of death. Runes on my skin, carved in my bone. I walk this world, but I'm not alone. Drums of the past beat under my veins, calling my name through thunder and rain. Born from the cold where the weak don't stand, I carry the mark of a ruthless land.